Here's our living room, completely underwater. See that?
Just go up there by the corner. You can't even see the baseboards.
It's lovely. See that? This is my living room. Isn't this fabulous? And here we go. Oh, that was at our back door. It's floated. Don't even know where to put it.
Get out of the water. Hey. Y'all have water yet?
Look, Madeline's balls are floating. All down in the kitchen. Our kitchen now contains a whole lot of extra crap. Here's our TV. What?
She's on the phone with Jennifer. And Jennifer's like crying because she doesn't think Ronnie's on.
And here is our dining room. So glad we have a big one. We could fit more stuff in here, but here's the thing. In about a minute or two, the water's about to start coming through the front door, which is on the other side of this wall. Fabulous.